Only prelims perspective, no mains perspective here. It is only prelims perspective. First topic, Operation Samudra Maitri. Operation Samudra Maitri. This operation is for humanitarian assistance when earthquake and tsunami attacked Indonesia. It is India's humanitarian assistance to Indonesia, particularly Central Sulawesi Province. SULAWESI, Central Sulawesi Province. We have sent 2 aircrafts, Indian Air Force aircrafts and 3 naval ships. 2 aircrafts and 3 naval ships. Naval ships are INS Sujata, INS Tir and INS Shardul. SHARDUL. INS Sujata, INS Tir, TIR and INS Shardul. So, Operation Samudra Maitri. In the same way, with the same name, we have another thing called Operation Samudra Shakti. That is military exercise Samudra Shakti. Samudra Shakti is a naval exercise between India and Indonesia. Samudra Maitri is India's help. Samudra Maitri is India's help to Indonesia when it got attacked with tsunami and earthquake. Samudra Shakti is naval exercise. Next. Samudra Shakti is naval exercise between India and Indonesia. Next topic, blue bonds. Blue bonds. See, there are some countries in the world who totally dependent mostly on maritime economy. They are island countries. Most of them are coastal countries and island countries. One such important country was Seychelles. There is an important country, Seychelles, SEYCHELLES. This country first time issued blue bonds. What are these blue bonds? Blue bonds are the bonds to raise capital to fund ocean related environmental projects. Ocean related projects. To raise capital to fund ocean related projects or to finance ocean based projects. As you all know, oceans are affected with acidification, warming and declining of oxygen levels. Acidification, warming, declining of oxygen levels. And this will threaten livelihood of millions of people who depend on oceans. Not only livelihood, but also flora and fauna will get affected. And Seychelles getting support from World Bank and Global Environmental Facility. Seychelles also getting support from World Bank and Global Environmental Facility. And it will help to help the funds. And more importantly, Seychelles proceeds with the bond to expand maritime protection areas, improving the fisheries and also protecting blue economy. There is a word called blue economy, very important this year. The blue economy is a recent term that was being used regularly for marine based support, ocean based resources and development of ocean based resources, so that oceans not only protect environment but also helping the economic aspects of the countries. So, the benefit which you get out of oceans, sustainable use of oceans, at the same time the benefit which you get by using ocean resources is called blue economy. So, this word first time used with a book called Blue Economy, named Blue Economy by an author called Gunter Pauli. Gunter Pauli. Gunter Pauli first time used the word blue. He popularized the word actually, blue economy. And Seychelles is very important because the location of Seychelles, number one, and in Seychelles, near Seychelles, Seychelles dominated one Seychelles island is there, Assumption Island. The name of the island is Assumption Island. India wanted to have its base in Assumption Islands, but Seychelles Parliament did not give permission to India. Seychelles Parliament denied it. So, Chagos Islands, yesterday in news, Chagos Islands, the location of Chagos Islands, Chagos Islands are with UK, but then they are near Mauritius. Seychelles, Assumption Islands. So you may get map based question on Mauritius, Seychelles, Assumption Islands, Chagos Islands, Madagascar Islands, and even Maldives. To this extent, Indian Ocean and Bay of Bengal Islands are important for exam. And next important IR related current affairs. Informal summits have become very popular this year. Informal summits have become very popular this year. Informal summits, our Prime Minister Narendra Modi have gone to 2 informal summits, with China, Wuhan, with Russia, Sochi. With China, Wuhan, with Russia, Sochi. As you all know, Russia and Pakistan are coming together more closely. India has to protect its all-weather friend Russia from Pakistan's influence. So, as you all know, from 2016, the strong naval exercise between joint military exercise between Russia and Pakistan, Druzhba, Druzhba. Druzhba is a joint military exercise between Pakistan and Russia. Druzhba, Druzhba, is a joint military exercise between Pakistan and Russia. So India has to work it on with Russia, because Russia is the all-weather friend to India. We consider Russia as the all-weather friend. Next important IR related current affairs, Raisina Dialogue. Raisina Dialogue. The 4th edition of Raisina Dialogue got completed in January 2019. Recently, the 4th edition of Raisina Dialogue. Raisina Dialogue is being conducted in New Delhi. The name Raisina have come from the highest elevated area, Raisina platform in Delhi. It was similar to Shangri-La Dialogue in Singapore. It was like security dialogue. In Raisina Dialogue, not only the government but also experts, intellectuals and other foreign policy experts, security related experts, they also attend the dialogue process. So it was conducted by Ministry of External Affairs along with the NGO called Observer Research Foundation. Star mark question, which NGO conducts Raisina Dialogue? Observer Research Foundation, ORF. And this year the theme is a world reorder. A world reorder, new geometries, fluid partnerships. A world reorder, new geometries and fluid partnerships. Uncertain outcomes. This is the theme is this, new world order. New geometries, fluid partnerships, uncertain outcomes. So, Raisina Dialogue is being conducted by Observer Research Foundation along with Ministry of External Affairs. So, first edition 2016, second edition 2017, third edition 2018, fourth edition 2019. Just now, last 2 months back, we have completed the 4th edition. Next important IR current affair. India, America. America few months back have given STA to India, Strategic Trade Authorization. America few months back have accorded STA to India. STA means Strategic Trade Authorization, which America have not even given to Israel. Its all-weather friend Israel did not have STA with America. Why STA is important to India? STA is important to India because giving STA status means America is treating India on par with its friends, on par with allies for procurement of military weapons. Particularly, STA will liberalize, ease export control of high technology defense equipments. American defense companies can even sell now high technology defense products to India because India got STA 1 status, Strategic Trade Authorization 1 status. So India can now have access to sophisticated advanced defense technology from America. Even Israel did not have that. India is the 3rd country in Asia to have this. First is Japan, next is South Korea, next is India. Already Japan and South Korea have STA with America. India is the 3rd country to have that STA with USA have given STA to the Asian country in the third way to India. And now US has relaxed 10 norms. Generally, STAs will not be given to the countries which are not signed NPT, but India got it. That was the greatness of now present day India-US relations. Between India and US relations, some agreements are called foundation agreements. Some agreements are called foundation agreements. Generally, US signs these agreements with the countries with whom it has very close ties, military ties. With US will sign these foundation agreements only with the countries with which it has strong military ties. So these foundation agreements, examples: LSA, Logistic Support Agreement; SISMOA, Communications, Interoperability and Security Memorandum of Agreement; and BECA, Basic Exchange and Cooperation Agreement for Geospatial Cooperation. In all these agreements, India and US have not yet signed BECA. Almost all the important foundation agreements between India and US were signed. BECA was not yet signed. BECA. You may get a question. Which of the following agreements are signed between India and USA? BECA was not yet signed. Rest all agreements were signed. I'll give the list, but you have to do more research on that. I'll give the names of agreements and your duty is to work more on it. Okay. First, GSOMIA. 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 It is General Security of GSOMIA. General Security of Military Information Agreement. General Security of Military Information Agreement. Signed in 2002. Signed in 2002. General Security of Military Information Agreement signed in 2002. It allows sharing of classified information. It allows sharing of classified information from the US government, and American companies to the Indian government, and defense PSUs public sector undertakings. For example, tell one example of defense PSU. BDL. Defense PSUs, but not with Indian private companies. Underline the word not. So under General Security of Military Information Agreement, America will share information with Indian government or Indian defense PSUs, but not with Indian private companies.